Hi!
Hello, we're at the cable car.
Mama!
I'm upset. Hello! I'm scared.
Ay, sila dyan!
Ang bilis nila, buti pa sila. Hello! Oh my God! Oh, when you come back, you say hello!
Nasaan na sila?
Andiyan na.
Oh, iikot, babalik yun. Makabitin.
Oh, this is relaxing. I want to go at the bridge. What? Wow! This is so good. This is a very beautiful.
Where's the Taal Volcano? Yun.
I see the ocean. I see like an island. Actually, the Taal Volcano is the smallest.
Oh,
Where?
you're perspiring.
Where? Ay, mama, kanina ko eh.
Maya-maya nalaglag tayo dito.
Ano kung babalik sila?
Oo. Babalik. Iikot lang sila.
Hey, now, one day.
Pipila ulit.
Pipila.
That's a line up.
Ito yung pipila pa rin.
Mapagka wala nang sasakay.
Even if we fall, we have. Even if we're wild.
Paano mo makukuha yung picture?
Doon sa kabila.
Pagbalik?
Dati wala siyang chanelas.
Inubad nila. Ah, yun ako kakatakot yun kapag ganun, no? Biglang
It
dito.
was like blind.
Nakakatakot. Eh, sa Hong Kong, mas nakakatakot yung cable car.
Sa Hong Kong,
Diba?
Pakit ng bundok.
Sarap na eh.
You like it, huh?